Hi, just want to show you how I make this self-watering planter. This is an example like this, or like this, or something like this. Okay, and I'm gonna show you this one. Inside this one has the pot. Oops, like this and this. It was like this inside. So the top one is just soil with this is a wheat. I use old t-shirt made by cottons, yes, and we can suck the water from the bottom from this container. So I put the water only here, and so they can suck the water to the top of soil, and it can fit perfectly inside this pretty pot, like this, and this one. This is a bottled water bottle. And this is the whole thing. Look like this. Oops. And so you have the wick down here, and make sure the wick touch the bottom. So when the water is very low, it's still able to suck the water to the top. And it fit perfectly inside there. So you just need to make sure you can find. You just need to make sure you find the perfect size container. Usually I will keep a lot of container like this or like this, and hopefully you can find the one and they can fit perfect like this. So when they fit together, you have this much space to store the water. But sometimes it doesn't have to. Just need to think about you see a little creations like this one. This is a nursery pot, right? And you just put a wick down here, and I'm gonna show you how to make this later. And the wick can suck the water from the bottom of this one. So this one doesn't have a plastic on the inside. So this part can store the water. So you don't need another plastic inside. And you just need to make sure this one can stay on the top, so it won't drop to the bottom of this one. So the soil and the root won't sit in the water. And this one is another example. Okay, if you don't have container that will fit perfect together, as long as they can be like this, sit on the top, and it won't drop. So you have this container hold the water, and this one, the soil and the wick can suck the water, and they can also fit very perfectly inside this one, like this. So when you need to add the water, you just take this out and add the water in. So, and this one fit perfectly. It's hard to find the perfect one. You just need to keep looking. Or another one like this one. This is rectangular square, and this is the wrong one. It cannot be fine. I try to find the perfect one, but it's hard. I will try. Well, I can just use this one for water and try to find the perfect one fit on the top, so it won't drop to the bottom. But just for now, this works perfectly. Wick and this. Okay. So it's something like this. This is the one I'm gonna make later. Just a regular pot, and this one you can hold the water, so I don't need to find another plastic for this one. And this container will perfectly to fit on this one like this. See, so it won't drop to the bottom like this. And I just need to draw a hole on this one and put the soil, and then use a piece of cloth or material like able to suck the water. I think the paper towel might work. I'm not sure. I think paper towel should work. And you just need to be shaped like this, and then draw a hole on the bottom and then go through it. And look at it, hope it works. So I'm gonna make one later. So if you are interested, then keep watching. Thank you. Bye. Oh, if you are interested in this one, see? This one grows so well. And I think this is kind of firm. I don't know why. I think this one, they love water. And this one this one is not like self-watering, but I want to turn this one to self-watering. But this one have one thing I like about it. It's so easy to water them. I usually pour a lot of water here, and this one just drop it in, and they will just sit in the water, and it won't kill the plant and until the plant suck all the water. And look at this, another new shoot, and it grows so well, so pretty. I love this plant. So I try to find other plants like these. These are kind of firm too. I want to see if they can be like this one. Okay. This one's firm too, and a kind of different kind of firm, but the leaves are very similar. And I think this one can be like this. So I'm look forward to see this one can be like this pretty. Yeah, I like this part too, so cute. And this plant, I like to talk about this one. I think this one can be big, can be huge, and so far so good. I have this one for 2 weeks, and they're growing so well. And they will 2 weeks, and I feel the water once. So I think the water can. I think I can water the plant every 2 weeks. So I mean the water can hold for 2 weeks. Yes. Sorry about my English. Yep, that's it. And I guess make another one later. See you. Bye.